Why do your eyes automatically slam shut every time you sneeze? And is it even possible to keep them open? Turns out, it's not because your eyeballs would pop out. That's a classic myth, so you can stop worrying. The real reason is simply an incredibly strong, involuntary reflex. Your brain sends signals to muscles all over your body, including those around your eyes, forcing them shut. It's a protective mechanism against the immense pressure and the debris launched during a sneeze. Think about it. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. So, the next time you sneeze, know your brain's just trying to save your face. Literally. What other weird body quirks have you wondered about? Drop your questions in the comments and let's explore.